Okay, here we go. Rob from Pond Paradise here. We got a double waterfall going into one pondless pit. Check this out. We got some cascade coming down. You got roughly about 16,000 gallons of water coming down on this. Strategic rocks to make it look like it eroded coming down the stream. Look at that. It's been there for a long time already. It's been days. This way, let's do the left side first. Coming down, got some accent wood here and there. Nice larger rock. Shoulder boulders right there. Look at this rock. Isn't that cool? Got a little water splash up there too. Got this coming down. Alright, let's go to the top. Alright. I like the way I did like a double here. One drop and then a double splash coming down. Changes it up. Got some accent wood right there. Hide the spillway. Coming down, let's go across the stream. Waterproof boots always. Here we go. Nice strong pump power. I love these boulders on the right. Marsh rocks, look at that. Incredible. Oh, yeah. Again, higher and lower. Right there. Coming down like that. All the way down. Let's go this way. We will finalize the video with the pan back shot right there. Few more of our water features coming up this spring. This is a double pondless waterfall. We do a lot of these. We do all sorts of water features. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and share and do all that good stuff on the social media. Thank you.